What is up, everybody? It's Alex here, and we're back with some more Mario Maker 2, and the reason I'm uploading a bajillion videos today is because today's the day Mario Maker 2 came out. So, we've done this. I don't think we've done the first course. Let's go. So here's the course I made. We'll do that first course there. So here's the course. It's called Super Mario Museum. In the description I made a similar course on the Wii U. Yeah, I made a course called The Mario Museum. This course was originally called Mario Museum 2.0. Alright, so let's go. But you clear your course before uploading. Play. Super Mario Museum. Okay, guess we're playing as Ouija. Or can we? Let's find out. Oh. So we got Lakitu there. And don't worry, I safe-proofed him. Yep. All I can throw now is coinsies. And I died! Yeah, no matter what he's throwing, Lakitu, whatever you want to call him, will always be dangerous. So yeah, I'll play this course again in a different game style. I mean, it's not exactly the same. I mean, there's clear thing. There's checkpoint here, one-way doors and stuff. And, unlike the first one, there's a vine. Also, it was in the Super Mario Bros. Style, but here it's new Super Mario Bros. Stupid Bowser! I just hate when Bowser just does that. I wonder what difficulties it might be when I upload it. Yep, we got everything here. And these are all the old stuff. If you want to get the new stuff, you have to go through this pipe. There's Angry Sun. There's Boom Boom, Goombrats, Twisters, Bonsai Bills, Icicles, Seesaws, etc. Yeet! Switch those and nope! Twinsies. Yeah, go through the pipe. Take care. Yeet! And that's the Mario Museum for you. Alright. The first course. My Mario. No, Mario. I haven't played with Mario for a while. Let's be Toad. Toad haven't had a time to shine. Now let's do this. The first course. Here we go. I was also playing a bit of the story mode earlier. The cutscene was awesome. No spoilers. I'll just say it's awesome. Super Famicom logo. That just, if you don't know what that means, that's just Mario Kart. I also upgraded it, so now you can actually go through there, unlike where the direct one. Do your thing, open that, yeah, Muser, nom, Muser, no Muser, bad Muser. What am I doing? Oh, there goes my ride. There goes my care. Let's just beat the level. Okay. That was interesting. I want to see the Dark House for another time. To do the Bowser fights, you actually have to go into Make. Wait. Make... Oh! The course you're currently making... Don't worry. Alright, let's do this one. Maze of Fireballs. Okay, yeah. It's hard to navigate. Boom! Nailed it! Bowser, take that! I owned Bowser there. What? Let's go nuts! Yeah, nighttime mode. Okay, night mode is a bit overpowered. Okay, lava level. Alright, now let's go to the sub area. And let's figure out which one I should do. And let's go with Bowser's Frozen Wall Trap. I mean... Well, fart. I like the extra music they added. But what I don't like is the part where I die! Nope. Super Toad? Why is everything super? Super Mushroom? Super Star? Super everything! What's next? Super Bowser? That'd be a funny superhero movie. Super Bowser, the superhero that kidnaps a princess. And I just... Not, screw it. I know this isn't what actually on the Bowser's Frozen Wall Trap on Seaf Gaming. But you know what I say? Put some mushrooms. Yeah. Put some mushrooms. I might actually have a fighting chance. Alright, Toad. You're not Super Toad! Oh, crud. There you go, pig. Okay, that was... You know what? It's cheap. Temporarily invincible! Temporarily invincible, baby! You have to do squat! I was saying... Jump! Well, that's why I had that mushroom. What? What? Oh, so that's... Stop it, Underdog! There's nothing super about Toad! He's a... Honestly, I have no idea what he is. You can die, and by die I mean get erased. Okay, let's try this again for the bajillionth time. Yeah, I'm gonna do. Yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Alright, Toad. Let's do this. You and me, buddy. I've always played with you in 3D world, so be nice to me, buddy. I'm being nice to you. I am overpowered! Finally, I beat him! Alright. Wow, that is bothering my eyes. Let's fix that. Much better! And the reason I'm always moving this Bowser is because I do not want him... I don't want two Bowsers where one's like here with, you know, and shooting fireballs when I'm playing in here. Alright, Toad, get your butt over here and let's do this. Get your 8-bit butt over here. Forgot to change the thing. Day. Okay, and underground. I don't think this music was ever in the actual Super Mario Bros. I apologize for the terrible graphics. Okay. News of my buzz, yeah? Yep. That's what I just did. I did some courses. Yep. I'll show you guys. Let's make a new course. Oh, guys, you gotta hear this music. Sorry for the interrupting, but you can actually... I just remembered you can listen... Someone actually put this song on YouTube. And if you're all wondering why you can only make 2D levels and not 3D, I think it's because Nintendo does not know how to, you know, make something like... What the... What? Let's add some slopes. Step, slip. Step, slip, in. Let's make it a cloud slope. You know what I was like, guys, when I saw like a bunch of videos? Probably you guys were like this too. I'm never playing another game on my Switch. And I was like that the moment I heard this. I saw the direct and more gameplay footage. Now I finally have the game. Where is it? I hope Ouija Pie gets this game. If you don't know who Ouija Pie is, he's just a YouTuber I like. Did you see that one in the direct? Where, and in the sky, gravity itself will be reduced. I'm gonna try and recreate that one area. I hope this is better for you guys. Let's see. Piruno. Two Pirunos. What? We're not doing that. Oh no, watch this. I'm gonna troll some people. After this, I'll look up how to get the other two power-ups in the game. The Maker Hammer in 3D World. And the Bubble power-up from Super Mario Land. That's in this style, the one I'm using right now. You guys saw nothing. Alright, Ultimate Dank Mode activate. I was testing. That never happened. Rest in peace, Fire Flower. Bye, 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 and bye, and bye. You know what? Ground level, activate. I'm starting to get the hang of this mode. And the reason I'm doing this docked, not docked up, handheld mode, because you guys can see it better. Change it over here. Watch this, guys. Like what? Some YouTuber I watched, I can't remember his name. He said the chain chomp chains were extended a bit, like quite a bit. To me, nope. They were extended a ton. Like a bazillion meters. It's like a fat chain chomp. Right, Alright, let's change the style. Let's go New Super Mario Bros. U. Because why not? Who doesn't like the new soup? Who doesn't like new soup? Do you like new soup? Yeah? Some soup in the morning. I know. I don't. Yep. You know, guys, I'm gonna make a level right now. And then I'll play it in the next episode. Or why don't I get one of the plushies to play it? That's what I'm gonna put on this page, guys. Look at this. It's the attack of the zombie apocalypse. Get it? Because rotten mushrooms look like zombies? It's producing 3 a second. I present to you Attack of the Zombie Apocalypse! Alright, this pipe should work now. What is wrong with this stupid pipe? If you guys want to, comment down below what's your favorite sprite of the rotten mushroom. Mine has to be New Soup. If you don't know what New Soup means, that's short for New Super Mario Bros. U. Yeah, let's make this thing scarier. Red's scarier, right? Comment down below which bullet blaster you think is scarier, the black one or the red one. Honestly, I think the red one's cool. I used to make a bunch of levels using the clown car and just put a fire flower in it. The fire clown car and then kick Bowser's butt that way. Good times indeed. Alright, let's play from the start. Maybe I might even do an imitation of... Woo! Brain fart. What if, guys, what if we had some junior clown cars with rotten mushrooms piloting them? Really wish they had more boss battle choices. I loved playing Mario Maker 1, guys. Fun fact, did you know I didn't know there was anything missing from the game? Yeah, I was not mad that there were no slopes. Yeah, I didn't know slopes even existed. Also, I was gonna plan to do this other video, yesterday, about how in the trailer, these wheels are more hollow, like you can see through them. But now look at them, they're all solid and stuff. La 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 la. Let's take. Yes! Oh my goodness, yes! Flying zombies! That is genius! Now this is zombie apocalypse! Oh crap, I just set him free. You know what, screw you, Chain Chomp. Okay, wait, I need a fighting chance or something. Fleur, fleur. Alright guys, so, before you ask, in the comments, no, the nighttime theme is not in the 3D World style. Sorry to bum you guys out, I was bummed out too. I wish maybe you could disable the timer. Oh my goodness, this video is 22 minutes long? This is gonna be my longest video ever! That's what I'm gonna title it, guys. You know what? I didn't know what I was gonna title it until now. I'm gonna call it my longest YouTube video yet. Oh no, my longest YouTube video yeet! Wait. No way! That's another thing in nighttime theme! Oh. These things are invincible! Run for your life! It's every Toad or Mario or what? Or whatever you are for themselves! Okay, now that I am finished freaking out like I just was, you guys probably want to hear another major bummer in this game. Oh wait, you guys already know no amiibo costumes. Alright. If you guys ever watched How Mario Maker Triggers You, well, spoiler alert, in one of the scenes he's like, "Where's the slopes?" I got your answer, boy! They're here! In the sequel! Eh? Genius. Okay, I've gotten really good at this version of the making part. Yeah, the level pool is empty once again. Can I? Let's try to get Skinny Mario. Skinny Mario, come out! Hi. Skinny Ice Mario! Oh, that won't go up there. And let's test this level. Actually, no, not yet. We need some scary music. Put that in you. Try this level now. Well, I suck. If you're in need of pooping your pants, this level, I'm gonna call it Zombie Attack Simulator. If you're in need of a heart attack, Zombie Attack Simulator should give you just the right dose of poop in your pants. Hey, eat this, zombies! Aww! I put the door there for nothing! I didn't mean to push that button. Now you... What are you doing? Get your big boot... Get your propeller butt back here. I need you. Yeet! Oh, this is terrible. This is gonna make me poop my pants. Actually, oh crap! He's following me. You know what? 3, 2, 1. I'm not satisfied with this chorus. Wait. That it does that? Like, why was I not informed? 3D World. Definitely 3D World. What if I was the voice of this? I would go like, Dewomp! You know what? Wait, I would also go like, Fat Dewomp! Fat Dewomp! Get it? 'Cause it's big. Why is this pinned? Why is this pinned? And why is this not pinned? No. Stop being a chicken. Get over here so I can make you big time. Okay. Man, this hard hat's getting annoying to wear. If you don't believe me, me and my dad got 2 free hard hats at EB Games. Yeah, you want one of these cool hard hats? Well, here's what you gotta do. You gotta go to your nearest EB Games, and they'll give them to you for free. Ooh, I know the perfect name for this level. Swamp Taxi. Okay, that was pretty stupid. Where do I want him to stop? Oh, so let's change the course thing. See? I feel like... Let's go snow. Yeah. 30 minutes? This is a half an hour long video. Awesome. Alright. I took you right up here. Where your next taxi awaits you. 3. Stop being picky. You're going right there, and you're gonna like that. There we go. Also, while I was at EB Games, getting Mario Maker 2, guys, I got 2 extra Joy-Cons. Pink and green ones. I could have picked 2 yellows, or I could have picked an extra one in red and blue. But no, I picked pink and green. You want to know why? It's the same color of each of these characters. Mario, Luigi, Toad, and Toadette. I wonder... Nope. Big. Okay, now I'm Toadette. This course is boring. I want to make a real fun course. One that you guys will love. How much battery do I have? That's a ton. Okay. Yoink! What's the... Okay, let me just... I'm sorry for... That's blurry, guys. Maybe it's focus?